Hello children, today I am going to teach you Civics Lesson 1 of 8th class. The topic of the lesson is Legislature. Legislature consists of two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Legislature makes law for the country. It stands as a symbol of democracy. Children, democracy is government by the people, for the people and of the people. The people of our country elect their representatives who then exercises power on their behalf. The central legislature is also known as Indian Parliament. It consists of two houses, Lok Sabha, which is also known as lower house or house of people. Second one is Rajya Sabha. It is known as upper house or house of states. Member of both the houses are called Member of Parliament. India has a federal government, which means there are two sets of government. One is central government, another is state government. The state level also there are two houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Vidhan Sabha is known as Legislative Assembly and Vidhan Parishad is known as Legislative Council. Members of these houses are called MLA, that is Member of Legislative Assembly, MLC, Members of Lok Sabha is the lower house of the Parliament. Representatives of the Lok Sabha are chosen to the Lok Sabha through elections, which are held after every 5 years. The country is divided into constituencies for the sake of election. The constituency is an area whose voters elect a representative to a legislative body. Usually, several candidates contest elections from a constituency. Voting is done through a secret ballot. Secret ballot means that total privacy is maintained while you are giving the vote. Nobody can see to whom you are voting. The candidate who gets the highest number of votes becomes the representative of the constituency in the lower house of the legislature. Every citizen of India who is 18 years age or above has got the right to vote. This is known as Universal Adult Franchise. Elections of the legislature is supervised by the Election Commission. The Election Commission fixes the date. It also sets up the polling booths. It provides electronic voting machines and ballot papers used by the voters. The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members, out of which 530 members are elected from the states. 20 members are elected from the Union Territories and 2 from the Anglo-Indian community, which are nominated by the President. The term of the Lok Sabha is 5 years. The qualification which a person needs to become a member of Lok Sabha are: first, he or she should be a citizen of India. Second, he should be 25 years of age or more than 25 years of age. Third, he should not be a bankrupt. Bankrupt means, children, a person should not be there in debt. He should not be mentally unsound. The person should not hold any office of profit under the state government or the central government. The presiding officer of the Lok Sabha is known as the Speaker. After the elections, the Speaker is appointed amongst the members of the Lok Sabha. A Deputy Speaker is also appointed, and the Deputy Speaker functions in the absence of the Speaker. The function of the Speaker is to maintain order within the House and to conduct the meeting of the House. The Speaker does not vote in any of the decision making. Only if there is a tie, then the Speaker casts its vote, and this vote is known as casting vote.